Hey guys, this is Old Man Wags here with Dirt Killer Pressure Washers and pro.dirtkiller.com. What we're doing today is visiting a job site of one of our contractors from the DMV area. This is Maurice from Jaws Pressure Washing. He is the owner and he's working on a massive project. So we thought we'd come down, check out his progress, and see what kind of before and afters he's getting. Maurice, you mind telling us a little bit about this massive project that we're doing?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Josh. I'm Maurice with Jaws Pressure Washing, and we at NIH in Bethesda. It's a hospital, one of the most prestige hospitals in the country. And we actually doing the pressure washing of the windows, the concrete, all the way around the building. Thanks to these guys by supplying us with all the solution and supplies we need, we're able to take on a big job like this.
So it sounds like the majority of what we're doing is working everything around the windows itself, all the trim, and basically all the lighter colors around the block building. On a size project like this, it can be a little bit overwhelming. When they first approached you with the job, you mind if I ask what you were thinking?
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. But the first thing I thought, let me call Josh. And Josh helped me with everything I needed, and look at, we pretty much got everything taken care of. We about, I would say about 60% complete of the job. We've been out here for about 2 weeks. We got about another week to go. So we've been moving at a very good pace. And I'm just excited.
Cool. So, I mean, that's awesome. In a few minutes, we'll kind of zoom out and get you some ideas of the scope of this project. But basically, all we did, Jaws is a member of pro.dirtkiller.com. He's one of our certified contractors. We reached out to some other contractors that can help him tackle the job this size. We put him in contact with the right people, and he was able to basically take from there. So our work was relatively minimal, but we basically provided a way that he was able to do this hassle-free, no issues whatsoever. So while we're on that thought, do you mind talking about where you came from? How soon ago, or how long ago did you actually start Jaws Pressure Washing?
Started Jaws Pressure Washing in 2014. Started real small, getting supplies and everything out of Home Depot, and then I graduated and started going to Dirt Killer, and that's when the business really started to expand. Yeah, we've been doing it for what? What's that? 8 years now, and yeah, everything is beautiful.
So I remember in the first time I walked in the store, we were in the back of an SUV, had a little DeWalt pressure washer, and he was just screaming, "I need to upgrade because I got a big project." Back then, do you ever think you tackled a job this size?
Absolutely not. Absolutely.
How about now? You think you can move forward and do 10 more like this?
Yes, sir. We're ready to do 10 more. Yes, sir.
All right, cool. So we're going to take a quick tour around the building, show you some before and afters. Again, this is Maurice with Jaws. This is Old Man Wags at pro.dirtkiller.com. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's check out everything in the comments section below.
Jaws Pressure Washing. If you're in the DMV area and you need services provided by us, you can reach us at 866-766-JAWS. Again, that's 866-766-5297.
Dirt Killer. Let's kill some dirt.